Happy day, children. Today we are going to see the story of Madras Presidency. Let us discuss the history of Madras Presidency. So, Madras Presidency was formed in 1801. It was also known as Madras Province and officially known as the Presidency of Fort St. George. It included areas of southern India, that is, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, parts of Odisha, and the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. After independence, that is, in 1947, the Madras Presidency was renamed as Madras State. Then, in 1956, the Madras State consisted of 4 regions comprising of 13 districts, namely Madras, Chengalpet, North Arcot, South Arcot, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Coimbatore, Nilgiris, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram and Kanyakumari. Later, these districts are officially renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1969. Let us discuss the 4 regions of Tamil Nadu. Region 1. It includes Madras, North Arcot and South Arcot. Region 2. It includes Salem, Coimbatore and Nilgiris. Region 3. It includes Tiruchirappalli and Tanjavur. Region 4. It includes Madurai and Tirunelveli. Region 1 Madras. The modern districts of Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanchipuram constituted the Madras district. British bought a part of the land from the Nayak rulers and they built Fort St. George. They named the area Madrasapattinam. Second one is Kudiyam Caves. Kudiyam Caves in South India are known for their prehistoric stone tools, which is the evidence of humans living there nearby 2 lakh years ago. Mamallapuram. Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty and is declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Next is Utramerur. The temple inscriptions of Utramerur are notable for their historical descriptions of rural self-governance. North Arcot. The modern districts of Velur and Tiruvannamalai constituted the North Arcot district. Velur Fort is an ancient fort built by Chinna Bommi Nayak and Timmareddy Nayak. Next one is Vainu Bapu Observatory. It is an astronomical observatory and which is the biggest observatory in Asia. South Arcot. The modern districts of Viluppuram and Kadalur constituted the South Arcot district. Next one is Arrowville. Arrowville is a place where people from all over the world come and live together to build a culture of unity. Next one is Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort is also called as Senji Fort, which is built across 3 hill rocks in Viluppuram district. The British called this fort as the Troy of the East. Region 2 Salem. The modern districts of Salem, Dharmaburi, Krishnagiri and Namakkal constituted the Salem district. Mettur Dam, also called as a Stanley Reservoir, was constructed across the river Kaveri. Okenakal Waterfalls is one of the famous waterfalls located in Dharmaburi district. Hosur, it is an industrial city located in Krishnagiri district. Coimbatore. The Coimbatore district comprised the modern districts of Coimbatore, Erode, Tirupur, Nilgiris and part of Dindigul. Coimbatore is also called as the Manchester of South India as it is the largest cotton producer. Next is Annamalai Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a famous sanctuary located here. Erode district. Erode district is famous for the production of handloom, powerloom and ready-made garments. Nilgiris. The Nilgiris was a place of special attraction because of its natural charm and pleasant climate. Doddabetta has the highest peak in the Nilgiris, which is the 4th highest peak in South India. The Queen of Hill Station, Udagamandalam, better known as Ooty, is the most popular hill station in South India. Region 3 Tiruchirappalli. The modern districts of Tiruchirappalli, Karur, Pudukkottai, Perambalur and Ariyalur form the Tiruchirappalli district. Tiruchirappalli Rock Fort is a temple constructed on a rock that is 83 meters tall. Rajankudi Fort is located in Perambalur, was constructed by Nawab of the Carnatic. Gangaikonda Cholapuram is located in Ariyalur district. UNESCO declared this as one of the world famous heritage monuments. Tanjavur. The modern districts of Tanjavur, Nagapattinam and Thiruvarur form the Tanjavur district. It is popularly known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu as it cultivates large amount of paddy. Manora Fort. It is located in the district of Tanjavur. It is known for the 8-storied miniature fortress built by Raja Sephoji. Kallanai. Kallanai is an ancient dam built across the river Kaveri in South India by the king Karigala Cholan. Brihadishwara Temple. It is popularly known as the Thanjai Periya Kovil. Region 4, Madurai. The modern districts of Madurai, Ramanathapuram, Theni and parts of Sivagangai, Virudhunagar and Dindigul form the Madurai district. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace in Madurai is a classic fusion of Dravidian and Islamic architecture. Bodhi Nayakanur is at the foothills of the Western Ghats, is popularly known as a Cardamom city. Keeradi is an ongoing excavation site located in Sivagangai district. Tirunelveli. The modern districts of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari and Thoothukudi along with a part of Virudhunagar form the Tirunelveli district. Kuttalam Waterfalls. It is located in the Western Ghats and it is called as the Spa of South India. Kattabomman Memorial Fort was constructed by the government of Tamil Nadu in Panjalankurinchi. Thoothukudi. Thoothukudi is called as the Pearl City because pearl fishing is one of the chief occupations carried out in this town. Children, we come to know Tamil Nadu possesses many glorious sculptures, paintings adorning walls and Jain temple towers were constructed by Tamil kings. Hence, it preserved the arts and culture of Tamil Nadu which attracts the tourists all around the world. Thank you.